Hello, welcome to this video on reviewing past CSEC Math papers with topics based on the topic matrices. But before we go into an actual problem, worked example, let's quickly review how Guyanese students performed for CSEC Math May-June exam for the years 2013 to 2018, and you see it here. You can pause the video and read the chart for yourself. For the years, you could see in 2013, just less than 30% passed the exam. In 2014, you see there how many passed and so on. So you can see in 2018 how many passed. Less than 40% of Guyanese students passed the CSEC exam. Many Guyanese students and Caribbean students find it very difficult, especially the optional questions that come in paper 2, section 2. They find it extremely difficult. In fact, if we were to use a gauge, it can be shown here that most Guyanese students and Caribbean students find it very difficult, the red part of this gauge here. Hopefully at the end of this set of videos, you'll be up here and you'll find it very easy. You'll feel confident and comfortable solving problems related to matrices, because I'll show you step by step how to do so. Remember, one of the fastest ways to learn is to learn through video tutorials such as this, because you can cover a topic in 5 minutes what it would take a teacher in a classroom to cover in 45 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever the length of the classroom session. For you to enjoy the maximum benefit from this course, from these videos, you need to work along with the narrator. You need to pause the video and do the exercises. This symbol here should remind you that you have to do the exercises. You retain more information when you see something, when you hear something related to that thing that you see, and when you do something. You are seeing colorful images that will help you to retain that information. You're hearing my voice explaining step by step, you'll retain more. And when you actually do the exercises, your retention will go up to 85–90% of what you see, hear, and do. So remember, you have to do the exercises. Now let's go on to the first example. Here we are going to see in a past paper, it was given that A is equal to this matrix, this 2 by 2 matrix, and B is equal to this 2 by 2 matrix. This 2 by 2 matrix, and you're asked to evaluate A squared plus B. You can pause the video and start working, taking out your pen and paper, and attempt to solve the problem on your own before watching this video to its conclusion. Some of these videos will be posted on my YouTube channel, hence this icon here. But the thing to note is you need to work on the problem yourself first. So pause the video and do that. Great. Now, have you done so? Great. Now the next step is to rewrite this problem in this way. So what you're asking, you set A squared plus B. A squared plus B is equal to this matrix multiplied by this matrix multiplied by this matrix plus this matrix there. Now what this question is testing is your knowledge of matrices and your ability to multiply two matrices. For example, this matrix here multiplied by this matrix here, and then to add that to this matrix here. If you got this state, if you reach this stage of the problem, that's very good. The next stage now is to add these two matrices, multiply these two matrices, and you get the result. So to multiply these two matrices, you multiply row by column, and you get the result. Okay, and then you add this matrix to this matrix, and that should give you the following matrix. Let me rearrange the problem there. And this is the result. Did you get that? Great. Remember, you have complete control over the video, and as a result, you have complete control over your learning experience, the rate you learn, and how much information you can retain. Enjoy.